Hey everyone, okay, so it's the best eyeshadow palettes of 2019. So let's make a start with whatever is on the first one here, which is Dose of Colours. Now this is just one palette. They come in lots of different palettes, well 5 actually. This one is the Sassy Siennas. They're amazing, absolutely amazing. The other one to mention, which I have over there, is Tatty. That's an excellent palette, and I did a review on that just recently, and that's really good. I do really like these, even though, well, I'm going to show you now, even though you get very little product. That's the Pat McGrath one. They are great, they're absolutely great. I mean, just shockingly, I mean, you know, it came like that, totally bleh, but that happens, it's not a big deal. But amazing pigment, amazing colours, just hardly any product, which is just disappointing. Kim Kardashian eyeshadows. Now, even technically, these are basically ColourPop. These are really good. That's a great palette here. There's another one here, the Mario and Kim one, which is just lovely. So really like those. Kylie one as well. You know, they're very nice palettes. I love the remastered, the Huda Beauty one. I love it. This is like my third. It's just so nice. It's so nice. Now, oldies, but very goodies. Bobbi Brown, cannot go wrong. Great selection of shades in matte and celestial shades and all the rest. This is a lovely palette. This one's by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is an entire palette here. And this one is the Gorgeous Glowing Beauty palette. The names these people come up with, amazing. And look at that rich chocolate red brown, gorgeous. Now, some of my favorite Charlotte Tilbury palettes are, this one's been abused. This is the Pillow Talk, which is lovely, so lovely. Pillow Talk palette of pops. I bought 8 of these in total. I know, silly boy. Walk of Shame. Look at this palette here. Oh, Walk of Shame. The thing with Walk of Shame and Vintage Vamp and any of those with a lot of red in is that you really do need to conceal under the eyes, and you really need to put on the blackest of black mascara, because, you know, sometimes any red based eyeshadow can make the eyes look a bit sore. And of course you've got the old Dolce Vita one, which is now called the Sophia and Bella, I believe, or Bella and Sophia palette. Beautiful. They are my favourite eyeshadow palettes in total. All the information right down there in that description bar. See you next time. Bye bye.